Hello everyone, welcome to Exams A to Z. This is Uma Maheshwar. Now in this video we're going to look at the questions asked in Tier 1 2019, that to 7th March first shift. Now this shift is it's very easy. So it takes mostly 15 to 17 minutes for you to do this entire shift. Now let's look at the questions. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is m. The next 3 odd numbers are also included. Then what is the increase in the average? I'm just taking the first consecutive odd numbers. Just take 1, average becomes 1. If I add 1, 3, average is 2. If I take 1, 3, 5, average becomes 3. If I take 1, 3, 5, 7, average becomes 4. So when you take numbers in arithmetic progression and whose difference is d, average will be increased by d by 2, which means if you take numbers which differ by 2 and if you keep on adding it, the average will be increased by 1 every time. So if you take numbers whose difference is 50, so and if you keep on adding it, average will be increased by 25 in the same manner. So here you are adding 3 odd numbers whose difference is 2, so therefore it is increased by 1 1 1 every time, so it becomes 3 more. Next, a is to b is 3 is to 5, b is to c is 2 is to 3. So the common term is b. Try to equate b. So multiply 5 with 2, this with 5. So it becomes 6 is to 10 is to 15. The other way to look at it is from the options itself. Look at the option which have a is to b as 3 is to 5. This is not, this one is not. So 6 is to 10 only the option. So you can say that. The next. The area of 4 walls of a room having length 6, breadth 4 and height 4 meters is. So he's asking you the lateral surface area. Therefore, the lateral surface area is 2h into L plus B. So 2 into 4, L plus B is 10 here. So it is 80 meters square. The next. In the given figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC and AD is perpendicular to BC. In an isosceles triangle, if you take the altitude, this altitude is also a perpendicular bisector and a median also. So I take it as A, B, C and D. AD is given as 4, BC is 6. Since D is a midpoint here, it becomes 3 and 3. So use Pythagoras rule, then it becomes 4, 3, then AC and AB becomes 5 and 5. So he's asking you for AB, so that is 5. Next, the value of 151 square minus 149 square. You can use the formula a square minus b square, a minus b that is 2, a plus b that is 300. Put together it is 600. Simple formula. Next, by selling 18 table fans for 11,664, a man incurs a loss of 10%. The selling price of one fan, you have to find it out, that is 90% of CP is 11664 by 18. Then again, how many fans should he sell? 11742 to earn 10% means 110% is 17424 by how many fans? Just divide both. You will get 9 by 11 is equals to 11664 into x by 17424 into 18. So rest all is just the calculations that you have to do it. So now see here, 11 ones are 11 ones are, then it is 6, then 5, then left with 9, then 8, then you left with simply 4. It is 4. Cancel it in 9 table. You can say 9 ones are, then 9 twos are, then you have 9 nines are, then 9 6 are. Cancel it in 18 table. 18 ones are, 18 sevens are 126, then 18 twos are. So 72 you left with. You can cancel it in 9 table. 9 eights are, 9 ones are, 9 sevens are, 6 are. 8 table you can cancel 8 ones are, 8 22s are. Therefore x is equals to 22. So you can do your own calculation, just cancel it. Next, in the given figure, cos theta is equals to, we know 12 13, this is 5, With respect to theta, the adjacent is 5, hypotenuse is 12. So it is hypotenuse is 13. Therefore, it is 5 by 13. Go for the next. Now say this. I'm going to enlarge this figure. Yeah. In the given figure, MP is a tangent to the circle with the center A and NQ is a tangent to the circle with the center B. MP is 15. So if these are the tangents, then this is 90 degrees here, this is 90 degrees. MP is 15, NQ is 8, PA is 17, BQ is 10. So use the Pythagoras rule, then you can find out this. So we know 17, 15, this is 8, therefore radius, this is also 8. 8, 6, 10, therefore it is 6, then this is also 6. Now AB becomes 8 plus 6, that's simply 14. Now next one. In the given figure, we know external angle is sum of two interior angles. 62 plus what becomes 110, that is 48. Therefore angle BAC is 48 here. The simple interest on a sum of 50,000 at the end of 2 years is 4,000, which means 1 year it is 2,000 and the other year also it is 2,000. But 2,000 is what percent of 50,000? That is 4%. So you need to find out when you're compounding, you want to find out compound interest for the same, you have to add interest on interest. That is 4% of 2,000, that is 80 extra. So compound interest becomes 4,080. So next one. 1 minus 64x cube minus 12x plus px square. He is asking you to find out the value of p. So in this you find out the coefficient of x square, that is 3 into a into b square, that is 4x whole square. You're going to get 3 into 16x square, that is 48 x square. So p value is 48. Next in the figure, a is equals to 100, then c. We know cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary, therefore the sum is 180, so it is 80. That's a simple one. Next, when a selling price of an article of marked price is 5040 at a discount of 40, if the trader gains 20%, then the profit. See here, we know MP by CP is 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount. So if cost price is 1, then the MP is 2, which means you have marked up it 100%. So MP becomes 200%. If 200% is 5040, then profit is 20%. That is simply 504 rupees. Next, what is the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 45 is 1. Therefore, I would say root 3. This becomes minus 1 by 2. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 is your answer, because 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Next. In an examination, Anita scored 31% of marks and failed by 16. Sunita scored 40 and obtained 56 marks, more than the required to pass. So difference between the percentage is 9 and the sum of marks 56 plus 16 is 72. So 9% is 72, which means you have done it into 8. So he is asking you, in order to pass, how much more you want, how much marks you want. That is, first find out 31%, that is 31 8s are 248, and you still need 16 more marks. So the add it to 31%, that is 264 marks you need in order to pass. I am not writing the equations here, I am doing it directly. Next, the given number 925x85 is divisible by 11. So he is asking you to find out the smallest value of x. So I can say 5 plus x plus 2, that is 7 plus x, 9 plus 5 plus 8, so 17, that is 22. 22 minus of this one, I want it to be 0, but x will be more, so I want it to be 11. So if I want it to be 11, then 22 minus 11 is 11. Therefore x value must be 4 here. So that's the least possible value of x that we can get it. So x cannot be more than 9 also, remember, because x is a single digit number. So the value of x possible is 4. Next, two cars A and B leave Delhi at 8:30 and 9 a.m. for Shimla respectively. They travel at a speeds of 40 kilometers and 50 kilometers respectively. How many kilometers away from Delhi will the two cars be together? So we know both of them travel the same distance, so I am using speed into time. So Delhi 8:30 means 40 is the time S1. T1 means T plus half an hour extra it is taking because it is traveled half an hour extra. So when you start at 9, let it be, it is T time. In both the cases I am equating the distance D here. S1 T1 is equals to S2 T2, cancel 0 and 0. 4T plus 2 is equals to 5T. Therefore T is equals to 2. Substitute in anything. So I am substituting in this. 50 into 2 is 100 kilometers is the distance here. Go for the next one. 10 men or 12 women. So 10 men or 12 women. So men R means equal it. So we are getting the efficiency. Men is to women is equals to 6 is to 5. Finish the same work in 10 days. And 5 men and 2 women undertakes. Let's take 10 men can do it in 6 days. Sorry, 10 days. Then 5 men plus 2 women can do it in how many days? Substitute M is equals to 6 and W equal to 5. 60 into 10 is equals to, I would say 30 plus 10, 40 into X. 4 za, 4 1 za, 4 15 za. So answer is 15 days. Next. The value of 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta by sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta. Just do sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. That would be sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. This becomes 1. Therefore, sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Therefore, both of them are same. So, this becomes 1. So, 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. So, that is the answer there. Next, the coefficient of y in the expansion of this. So, we have to find out 3a into b square. So, a here is 2y, b square is minus 5 whole square. So, you have 25 into 6, 150. That is the coefficient of y. Next, the value of, first do division, that is 4, then after into. So, 3 minus 9 minus 12 is minus 3. So, minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So, answer is 6 there. Next, in a particular year, the number of students enrolled in different streams in a college is as follows. The percentage of girls. So, girls put together 18 plus 45, 42, 30. 18 plus 42 is 60. This becomes 75. That is 135 girls. By total number of members. First find out boys also. 60 here. Then after 102, 115. So, if you add 115 to this, it becomes 250. Out of 135 out of 250 into 100. So, we are going to find out the girls percentage in this. So, 52s are 55s are 5 1s are 5 27s are 27 2s are 54% age is for girls. So, remaining 46% boys are there. Next, study the given table carefully and answer the question that follows. So, number of students that appeared in an examination, number of students passed and the number of students passed with distinction are given. The percentage of students who have passed with distinction in the year 2012, 2012 distinction is 210. 210 is what percent of 840? So, I can say 1s are 4s are 1/4 is 25%. So, 1/4 of them, that is 25% of them passed with a distinction in 2012. Next, in the school the distribution of teachers is as follows. The total number of teachers aged less than 40 years. So, less than 40 years. So, this is more than 40 and this is less than 40. Therefore, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 is anyway 10 plus 2, 12 members. Next, from the given table, what is the percentage of students scoring more than 40 or more but less than 70? So 0 to 70 you take it, there are 46 members. 0 to 40 you take it, there are 22 members. So 40 to 70, we have 24 members. Now the overall members is 24, it was percent of 50. So 51s are 52s are 24 2s are 48%. So the answer is 48% to this.